Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Maheen Manzoor, student of Paragon Academy Badin, basic level. Today my presentation topic is definition of literacy. Who is a literate person? Let's discuss. The first definition of literacy was that one who can read and write is an educated person. The second definition of literacy was that one who can read, write, and do simple mathematical calculation is an educated person. The third definition of literacy was that one who can read, write, do simple mathematical calculation, and can operate a computer is an educated person. But the fourth and the current definition is that one who can read, write, do simple mathematical calculation, can operate a computer, make analysis, draw conclusion and results, and build his own opinion and send recommendations about the things is an educated person. Thank you so much. Have a great day.